Hello, my name is YIJIN. Today, I will talk about a module of vocabulary learning. This is one of the parts of my final paper. I will present this module in 4 sections: introduction, system design, discussion, and conclusion. First, it is the introduction. Vocabulary learning is an essential part of English learning. Among all English skills, vocabulary skills are the foundation of language learning. With the current advances in wireless networks, location technologies, and wireless devices, learning English vocabulary in pieces has changed from electronic learning to mobile learning. Learners who use the context-aware personalized English vocabulary learning system, which is called PCOS module, performed better than learners who do not use this system. We can understand that meaningful learning is built only when the learning process is integrated with the cultural context. More recently, context-aware ubiquitous learning has been developed to emphasize learning the right content at the right time and in the right place. Also, it is to support a seamlessly ubiquitous learning environment, that is, learning regardless of the time and place. The next is the design of system. The adaptive English word learning module is based on the learner's geographic location, learning time, free time, and personal vocabulary learning ability. PCOS is a learning system consisting of the client side, the data synchronization agent, and the server side. The client side tries to recommend new words to individual learners based on the proposed context-aware scheme to achieve personalized English vocabulary learning. The server side is responsible for collecting English vocabulary from the website containing the required English courses materials and providing a user-friendly vocabulary management interface for teachers. Also, discovering contextual location is vital for this study. Therefore, Line was chosen as the location technology for the server side because it is the least expensive. The learning process of the system includes learning new vocabulary and detecting recently acquired words. The recommended number of words to learn varies depending on the individual's free time and vocabulary learning ability. The vocabulary recommendation process consists of 4 procedures. First, selecting the appropriate vocabulary based on the learner's location. Then, ranking the words chosen based on relevance. Next, determining the words to be recommended. And at last, estimating the number of words to be learned. And the next part is discussion, which is focusing on the practicality of PCOS. From this system, we can know that ubiquitous English vocabulary learning activities can be integrated with classroom learning. Although this study examined the results of individual learners' knowledge through the proposed systems, the module can still be integrated with classroom activities. The PCOS module can recommend appropriate vocabulary for students to learn by learning location, learning time, learner spare time, and vocabulary learning ability. The successful generalized learning activities are inseparable from accurate targeting techniques. In conclusion, the PCOS module can recommend appropriate learning vocabulary to help learners learn contextual vocabulary effectively while enabling learning regardless of location and time constraints. Finally, It is the reference here, and thanks for listening.